Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY. Just thought I'd do a quick video, more of a review really, on this DAB in-car FM transmitter. I fitted a radio, which is right here, and I don't know what happened, but I forgot to look for DAB, and I really like DAB. Like some of the channels on there, like Talk Sport, Talk Radio, and all them sort of things. So I forgot to get a radio to do that, so I fitted it all. I don't want to change it, so I've been out and bought this DAB in-car transmitter. Just thought I'd do a review on it and see if it was any good. I mean, I've had similar sort of things like this before for other stuff, like phones and Bluetooth and things like that. I've just found them really a waste of money, so I was a bit apprehensive about buying this, but I bought it anyway, and this is what I've got. So it's been quite easy to fit. So this is what you get with it. So you get this module here, and this goes into your 12 volt cigarette lighter or port or whatever you want to call it. And basically what you have to do is, it comes with a couple of wires. You can Bluetooth it as well, but I've decided to hardwire it because I'm not really a fan of Bluetooth. I find you lose signal, so I've hardwired it straight into the radio. So it comes with a jack, which, if you can see it there, goes into the side, and then you get a DAB transmitter aerial, which is there. So what you do with this, it comes with a magnet, and you have to put this magnet, which is there at the end of this, and you have to pull back the lining, and which is very simple. You won't break it or anything, you just pull it back. Obviously it depends on what car you've got, and you know, obviously the better cars tend to have DAB anyway. But this worked quite well, and then you stick this transmitter to the windscreen, and this sticks to the windscreen as well, this is the aerial. So a wire comes from that and goes straight into the side of the transmitter, of the module. So what you have to do is find, you know, it's got instructions and stuff like that, so for whatever you want, you're going to have to find it. But this jacks straight into it, straight into the radio. You go to auxiliary, and it goes straight there, and you get all the DAB channels, which is really, really good. It comes with instructions, which are very easy to follow, a couple of languages. It comes with a instruction manual on how to do the actual transmitter aerial, which is great. So you can just see there how you pull back the lining with the magnet. But obviously, if you don't put the magnet on, if you can't find a metal for it to stick to, then it decreases your transmitting ability by 30% apparently. So there you go, decrease 30%, antenna performance by 30%. So that's what you have to do. It is very simple. I think the hardest bit is probably hardwiring is finding somewhere to put the cable, which it says about putting it through the rubber, so I'm probably going to do that. So I'm probably going to hardwire it behind there, which is what they say to do, and follow it down, because you don't want any of these cables hanging around. So basically, to conclude it really, that plugs into your 12 port cigarette lighter, 12 volt cigarette lighter. You jack it in straight into your radio if you have that ability, and then the antenna comes out the side as well, and that sticks up there with a magnet that goes on your roof, attaches to your roof, and this sticks onto the windscreen, and then you change that to auxiliary or Bluetooth. It depends on what you want to do. Obviously that's in the instructions as well, so you might want to Bluetooth it to your phone. So and that's pretty much what you do. It's just, obviously I'm not allowed to play too much music on this because I'll get busted by YouTube, and that's a really, really good
Yeah, you know, I think, you know, we need to look at
tuning. Tuning's really, really good. So yeah, so this is what I've got anyway. This is more of a review than it is an actual tutoring guide to putting it in, but if you get anything from it, then great. much,
hunting, for example, in elephants,
I can't remember how much it cost me. I think it was about 40 quid.
such as lions.
But you know what? For the price of a new radio, it's definitely well worth it. Now I've got my DAB channel. If I've got anything against it, probably more to do with my car than it is any other car. Is that the cigarette lighter port is actually underneath this stupid handbrake, which for some reason Vauxhall think is a great idea. But hey, it still works, and I'm really, really happy with it. So my next job is just to tidy up all these wires and that's it really. But I've got it working. I'm really, really happy with it. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.